Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. This is our maths lecture for class 7th and today our topic is simple interest. The word interest is used for the amount in addition to the principal which the bank pays to the depositor and the amount in addition to the principal paid by the debtor when repaying the money borrowed. Rate of interest. The interest to be paid for a certain sum for a fixed period of time such as 1 year is known as the rate of interest. Usually the rate of interest is expressed per rupees 100 for 1 year and is known as the rate percent per annum. Thus a rate of 5% per annum means the interest is rupees 5 on rupees 100 for a period of 1 year. The principal together with the interest is known as the amount. Amount A is equal to principal P plus interest I. This is a formula to find the amount. Now by using this definition we are solving some question. Find the interest in each of the following cases. On rupees 400 at 5% per annum for 4 years. Per annum mean per annual. 4 years. Now we are solving the question. Interest is equal to I. We will find the value of interest. Principal amount is equal to P, which is equal to rupees 400. Rate is equal to R is equal to 5%. Now time is equal to T, which is equal to 4 years. I is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T over 100. This is a formula to find the value of interest. Is equal to principal amount is equal to 400 multiplied by rate is equal to 5. So we write 5 multiplied by time is 4 year divided by 100. Now simplify. 2 0 cut with 2 0. We get 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. Now 4 5s are 20 and 24s are 80. Now interest is equal to rupees 80. Next one is on rupees 450 at 4% per annum for 2 years and 9 months. And the principal amount is equal to P, which is equal to rupees 450. Rate is equal to R, which is equal to 4%. Now time is equal to 2 years and 9 months. Now firstly we convert the months into year. For this we divide by 12. Now write 2 plus 9 divided by 12. Now simplify. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and we get 2 plus 3 over 4. Now so take the LCM. Our LCM is 4. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 over 4, which is equal to 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 over 4. So 11 over 4 years time. I is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T over 100. This is a formula to find the value of interest. Is equal to 4. Principal amount is equal to 450 multiplied by rate is equal to 4 multiplied by time is equal to 11 over 4 years. Now divided by 100. This is equal to now we simplify. 4 cut with 4. We get 450 multiplied by 11 over 100. Now simplify. 1 0 cut with 1 0. We get 45 multiplied by 11 divided by 10, which is equal to 45 multiplied by 11, which is equal to 495 over 10. And 495 divided by 10, which is equal to 49.5. Now interest is equal to rupees 49.5. Students, similarly you can do the second part on your notebook. Next question is find the rate percent per annum by applying the formula. First one is rupees 700 gives rupees 210 simple interest in 3 years. interest is equal to rupees 210. Principal amount is equal to rupees 700. Now time is equal to 3 years. We will find the rate. Now R is equal to I multiplied by 100 over T multiplied by P. It is equal to I is equal, interest is equal to 210 multiplied by 100 over time is equal to 3 multiplied by 700. Now simplify. 2 0 cut with 2 0. 7 1 is 7. 3 1 is 3. 3 7s are 21. And write this 0 as it is. Now 7 1 is 7. Or 7 10s are 70. So our answer rate is equal to 10%. This is our answer. So similarly, you can do the second part on your notebook. And then our next question is find the time by applying the formula. Rupees 600 will gives rupees 90 simple interest at 5% per annum. Now you are solving the question. Interest I is equal to rupees 90. Principal amount P is equal to rupees 600. Now rate is equal to 5%. Now we will find the time. T is equal to 100 multiplied by I over P multiplied by R. This is the formula to find the value, to find the time. Now 100 multiplied by interest I is equal to 90 over P is equal to 600. So we write 600 multiplied by R is equal to 5. Now simplify. 2 0 cut with 2 0. 5 1 is 5. 5 8s are 40. Now we get 18 over 6. Now again simplify. 6 1 is 6. 6 3s are 80. Which is equal to 3. Now time is equal to 3 years. Student, similarly you can do the second part of your notebook and question number 6 also. Hope so you understand this lecture. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, have a nice day.